So I have had this knife for, I think 2-3 years. I inherited it with my last place, and I already have a complete knife set that comes complete with a knife set holder. So I know where everything belongs, everything's put together. It makes it super easy to grab them, to use them, and to put them away. This on its own, there's no place for me to put it except for in a drawer, which then makes me worry that I'm gonna end up stabbing myself. And the other thing I don't like about it is if you can look up really closely, that's the serrated part and that's not, but when you count, if you're not looking at it closely, I always think it goes this way and it actually goes this way. So I don't like this knife because I don't need it, I don't use it, I don't like it, and it's weird and I'm always confused about it. So here are, if you're gonna donate something like this, you have a couple of options because you wanna make sure that you're not gonna stab yourself and you wanna make sure that nobody else gets stabbed. And whether you're donating it or throwing it away, you can do either, do it the same way. So you can wrap it in this kind of stuff, bubble wrap. You can take the sides off of this and use cardboard. You can use thick paper, you know, make sure that it's bundled enough. Or in this case, is what I'm gonna use is this material, and I've cut it off enough so that I know that I can use it, and then it's doubled over. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wrap it in closely, tightly so that it can't really move. And then I'm gonna use tape and I'm gonna put tape around it. And that way, if I throw it out, none of the people who are collecting the trash are gonna get harmed. Or in this case, I'm gonna donate it. Nobody, when they take it out, is going to get harmed, and I'm not going to get harmed. So make sure that you stay safe with sharp things that you are deciding to get rid of, no matter how you get rid of them. Thanks for watching. Like, follow, comment, or if you are looking for a way to bring calm out of the chaos, to feel less anxiety, to feel less depressed, to feel like the home you live in, you have control over it and you love where you live, DM me or link in bio and let's start talking about virtual services for you.